Fire Next Time were a four-piece left-wing soul band from Leicester who released 4 singles and 1 album from 1986 to 1988. History. The band took its name from the 1963 book The Fire Next Time by African-American novelist and social critic James Baldwin. From Leicester, Fire Next Time played up-tempo soul in the vein of the Redskins and the Blades. Lead singer James Maddox's writing style and voice was compared favorably at the time to Bruce Springsteen. Though their first single with Stiff Records was well received and a record signing followed with Polydor, the band failed to reach a wide audience. Maddox later formed Wood, who gained critical success with their 1999 album Songs from Stamford Hill, and has gone on to have a successful solo career since his relocation to New York City in 2003. Members: James Maddox, lead vocals guitar. Jeff Sapsford, guitar, vocals. James O'Malley, bass. Ray Weston, drums, early 1986. Lee Hummer, drums, late 1986. Martin Hughes, drums, I Can't Go Back Too Close singles. Paul Burgess, drums, 3 tracks on North to South album. Nick Muir, keyboards. Tommy Eyre, keyboards, 1 track on North to South album. Discography. Albums: North to South, 1988, LP, Polydor Records, FNT LP 1. Singles and EPs: Beneath the Hammers, 1986, 7, Stiff Records, by 248. I Can't Go Back, 1987, 712, Polydor, FNT 1. To Close, 1988, 712 CD, Polydor, FNT 2. Stay With Me Now, 1988, 712 CD, Polydor, FNT 3. References: